Hello, I'm Seema. Read the following short passage and answer the question that follows the passage. The passage in question is about the alliance by the 5 airlines called One World. And the question given to us is, which of the following can be inferred from the passage? Have a look here at the concluding lines of the passage. Briefly, the alliances appear more like a survival kit in a more cutthroat competitive world. Having seen that, we can easily deduce option number 3. Airlines are coming together and forming alliances in order to survive severe competition in the business as the statement which can be inferred from the passage. Hence, it is our right choice. The answer to this question is option number 3. Hope this has helped you. Thank you. करके दिखाएंगे. Hello, I'm Seema. Read the following short passage given below and answer the question that follows the passage. Most purchasers underuse the sports equipment they purchase. In a survey, it was found 17% of the adults of a town own jogging shoes. Only 45% of the owners jog more than once a year, and only 17% jog more than once a week. Now the question is, which of the following, if true, casts maximum doubt on the claim that most consumers get little use of the sports equipment they purchase? The statement that most purchasers underuse the sports equipment they purchase is substantiated by the infrequency with which jogging shoes are used for jogging. This reasoning overlooks the possibility that jogging shoes may be used for other purposes. Hence, option number 3, many consumers purchase jogging shoes for use in activities other than jogging, is our correct choice. Answer to this question is option number 3. Hope this has helped you. Thank you. करके दिखाएंगे. Hello, I'm Seema. Read the following short passage given below and answer the question that follows the passage. The program to control the entry of illegal drugs into the country was a failure in 1992. If the program had been successful, the wholesale price of most illegal drugs would not have dropped substantially in 1992. The question is, on which of the following assumptions is the argument based? Option number 4, a drop in demand for most illegal drugs in 1992 was not the sole cause of the drop in their wholesale price, is the most appropriate assumption because it can be concluded legitimately that the program was a failure because of the drop in the wholesale price of the illegal drugs. If the drop in price was due to the drop in demand, there is no reason to suspect that there has been any increase in supply caused by drugs entering the country. Hence, we can very safely say that option number 4 is our correct choice. Answer is option 4. Thank you. करके दिखाएंगे. Hello, I'm Seema. Read the following short passage and answer the question that follows the passage. The ratio of divorces to marriages has increased since 1940. Therefore, there must be a greater proportion of children living with only one natural parent than there was in 1940. The question is, which of the following, if true, most strongly weakens the inference drawn above? Have a look at option number 3. Since 1940, the average number of children born to couples not taking a divorce has increased drastically. This states that the number of children born to couples not taking a divorce has increased drastically, which will effectively reduce the proportion of children living with single natural parent. Hence, it is our correct choice. Option number 1, 2 and 4 do not give us the desired answer, hence they stand incorrect. The answer is option number 3. Thank you. करके दिखाएंगे. Hello, I'm Seema. Read the following short passage given below and answer the question that follows the passage. It is true that it is against international law to sell plutonium to countries that do not yet have nuclear weapons. But if United States companies do not do so, companies in other countries will. The question, which of the following is most like the argument above in its logical structure? Option number 1 has the feature of violation of law but does not suppose that someone else would do so, and on this ground does not go well with the passage. Incorrect. Option 2 contains a report of activities that are well unlawful. There is no presupposition that someone else without fail eventually do so. Hence, it is also incorrect. Option 3 concerns the activity of a person to whom the law stated is inapplicable. Hence, it is also not correct. The basic argument in the passage is that a certain act violates the law. The act, however, is defended on the pretext that if the former does not violate the law, someone else would do so. Option number 4 best agrees with the given passage. Answer is option 4. Thank you. करके दिखाएंगे.